Hello everyone, welcome to your online classes. So guys, without wasting our time, let's continue with Unit 2 Energy Resources. So let's see what we are going to learn today. So today we are going to learn about conservation of wind power. In last lecture we have studied about conservation of solar energy. So now we will start with conservation of wind power. Wind can be defined as the air in high speed motion. In simple words, what is wind? Wind is the air in high speed motion. The motion of air varies every moment because of uneven heating of surface of earth. The air above land gets heated faster during the day as compared to the air over water, that is ocean, river, water surface, right? The hot air rises upward due to expansion and its place is taken by cool air, which we call as wind. During night, exactly reverse process is observed due to faster cooling of hot air on Earth's surface as compared to that on water surface. Yes, we all know this. The energy associated with wind is used to generate electricity. Wind energy is also renewable because it would be continuously available till sunlight is available. Now, the machines used to convert kinetic energy of wind into mechanical and then after electrical energy are called as wind machines. The machines which are used for this conversion of kinetic energy from wind to electrical energy, they are called as wind machines. Example, windmill, wind turbine, etc. The wind turbines are consisting of airfoil shaped blades. The blades rotate at high speed when wind blows. These blades are connected to a drive shaft which turns on electric generator to produce electricity. Wind turbines are used which are of two types based on direction of the rotating shaft. First one, horizontal axis turbines. Second one, vertical axis turbines. Now, here you can see a simple image of horizontal axis wind turbine. Here different size machines are available of this kind of wind turbine. The choice of size depends upon the area for which the electricity is generated. Larger areas or townships can also be provided with electricity by grouping together many wind turbines. Such groups are called wind turbine farms. Taller the wind turbine, more wind can be captured. Hence, if it is to be in open areas, the machines can be as tall as height of 20-story buildings with blades spread across almost 200 feet distance. This is all about horizontal axis wind turbine. Now, what is vertical axis turbine? Definitely, these are not used commonly as compared to horizontal machines. And they are similar to horizontal machine except in the direction of blades which are going vertically down. A typical machine generally is 100 feet tall and 50 feet wide. This is a simple description about vertical axis turbines. Now, advantages and disadvantages of this wind power conservation. Now, what are the advantages? By ways of wind farms, it is possible to satisfy the need of electrical energy for large cities. This is the best and one advantage of this, and disadvantages are installation requires open land. Of course, for number of windmills, I need a huge open land. Thus, cost is high, especially in developing countries. like India, depend on speed of wind and plant needs to be equipped to sustain storm-like condition. Plant means not a tree here. Plant means that windmills. Planting of this windmills machine turbines. We have to plant like this, so they will sustain in a storm-like conditions. They will sustain in a huge rain. Okay, there should not be fall of these plants. Now, next important point is conservation of hydropower. Okay, do you mean the meaning of hydropower? Did you know? Here you can see hydro means water and power means energy. So definitely it is an energy generated from water. The word indicates clearly that it is energy generated from water. Water stored in reservoir through dams is made to flow on turbines to generate mechanical energy, which is then converted into electrical energy. Same like windmills. First kinetic energy gets converted into mechanical and then it's converted into electrical. Here potential energy gets converted into mechanical and then finally it gets converted into electrical energy. Again, of course, hydropower is a renewable energy source and non-polluting and clean energy resource as well as. Now, principle of hydropower. First, let's see what do you mean by hydropower plant. It is also known as hydroelectric power plant, used to obtain mechanical and electrical energy from stored water by making it flow with force or pressure over turbine wheels. This plant is simple and can be operated practically anywhere if source of water is available. And as you can see in slide, I have written in short word, hydropower means it's a potential energy of water which gets converted into first mechanical energy and the final result is of course electrical energy. Now, what is the principle of hydropower? The potential energy of stored water is converted into mechanical energy using hydraulic turbines, which is then used to run the electrical generator, converting it into electrical energy. Is the basic principle of the hydroelectric power plant. Now, hydroelectric power plant. This plant especially consists of following components. What are they? Water reservoir, penstock, surge tanks, turbine wheels and powerhouse. These are the basic components of hydroelectric power plant. Let's see an image. Okay, this is a simple overview of or simple layout of hydropower plant. Can you see on your left side a reservoir of water? Water reservoir, then water flow through penstock, then there is a wheel generator, powerhouse turbine, then it gets converted into finally electrical energy and here downstream outlet. After conversion of electrical energy, it gets they leave the water. Now, water reservoir, we know this. The water is stored at higher level. The reservoirs are of various sizes depending upon the requirement. If water reservoir is stored natural water, that is river, pond or lake, then it is supported with dam which is used to release water flow as required. See, if your water reservoir is like a natural resource like river, pond, lake, then of course we have to build dam to support this. Second component is penstock. The large diameter PVC pipes used for carrying water from reservoir to the turbine wheels are named as penstock. Penstock means it's a large PVC pipes, large in diameter. In large-size power plants, all penstocks are supported by concrete structure called as anchor blocks. This is essential because when water is released from reservoir through dam, it flows with high pressure and velocity, which may damage the penstock. Suppose your hydropower plant is huge project, then at that time penstock is not sufficient. It has to be supported by a concrete structure which is called as anchor blocks. See, because of water pressure, see, we all know that when water runs, it runs with a high pressure. It damages everything. So this should not be happen. So that's why it is supported with a concrete structure which is also known as anchor blocks. If it is a large plant. For small plants, penstock is sufficient, which is a large PVC pipes. Next component is surge tanks. To handle such situation, an additional small tank is also connected to penstock, which stores excess water if released due to natural force. Thus, the penstocks are protected. Such additional tank is called as surge tanks. Surge tank means nothing but an additional tank to collect extra water. Turbine wheels. We know all this. These are metal wheels situated in powerhouse and are rotating at high speed. The shaft of wheel is coupled with an electrical generator. Next component is powerhouse. It is a building where the energy transformation occurs. The operation of plant is controlled from the control room situated at the top of this building. I hope guys you have understand working of hydropower plant. So what are the components? Reservoir, penstock, powerhouse, generator, turbine wheels. These are the surge tanks. These are some basic components. And I repeat, what is penstock? Penstock means it's a large PVC pipes, large in diameter. Surge tank means it's an additional water tank. We know turbine wheels and we know powerhouse. Now, the next point is advantages and disadvantages. Electrical energy is generated at very low cost as operating and maintenance cost is low. See, for this maintenance cost is low. Time required to generate power is small. So within a short period of time we can generate electricity with the help of water. The plants do not produce greenhouse gases, thus no air and water pollution. See, we are not causing any kind of water and air pollution by using this power plant. And the disadvantages are plants can be set up only where plenty of rainfall occurs. Of course, if there is water, then only we can generate. If there is no water, how can we generate electricity? So it's depend on water and rainfall only. Long length transmission lines are required for distribution of power. See, we don't have water reservoir near our house. Of course, it's too far from our village, city, town. So definitely to transmit from there to our house, we need a long transmission lines. So guys, limitations. Limitations of hydroelectric power plant. What are the limitations? Constructions of dams causes destabilization of population in nearby areas. Suppose few society is near river, and government wants to construct a dam. Definitely they have to de-establish that civil people. Then eco balance is disturbed. Of course, by constructing a dam and all, our eco balance gets disturbed. Fertility of land may decreases. Am I right? Earthquake may cause due to high hydrostatic pressure. Sometimes there is a possibility of earthquake also, guys. So this much for today, and till now we have completed in energy conservation. We have completed about solar energy conservation, wind energy conservation, and hydropower conservation. In next video, and the next video will be the last video of this unit, and we will end up with the chapter with point geothermal energy and overuse of all resources. So guys, tata, bye bye, have a nice day, enjoy your video. We are not there to look at you. You can watch these videos at any time, any place, anywhere, wherever, whenever you want. So studying in class is really nice. We enjoy our friendship, we enjoy our bonding with teacher, we enjoy some interesting lecture, even we enjoy some boring lectures. We had lots of fun in classroom. Even I miss that. But online lectures are also good. Nobody watch you. Even teacher also will get confidence while making these videos. So guys, enjoy, do study, be safe. Bye bye.